Yeah, there it is. Marufuku Ramen. I'll try it someday. Not now. That's it right there. That's what I want to try. Alright, so I'm here. Marufuku Ramen. After this, I'm going to see Superman. There it is. I'm going to see the new Superman movie. But yeah, the last video I made, the first one was when I first came here. It's been over a month. It's been weeks. So finally eating here. I'm gonna get the Shoru ramen. So yeah, probably just recording the GoPro so too many people won't look around or anything like that. But Marufuku Ramen it's a highly reviewed place. So let's see what it's like. Just waiting for them to park where there's hardly any parking. Yeah, she's just now parking. There's hardly, look. There's hardly any parking, so waiting for her to come over. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I brought some Pepsi with me and Zyrtec just in case I have acid reflux or allergic reactions. I can't eat lemon, so sometimes I start choking and coughing, so I brought some of that. But yeah, this will be like a quick review, nothing long. You know, I'll get my first reaction, and yeah. So last time I had ramen was in 2019, San Francisco Bay Area, when I did my internship at Pixar. When the interns went out to they ate at 2 different ramen places. I don't remember the name, but those are good. And the first time I had ramen was somewhere in Richardson, Texas. I went with this girl from school. It was Anna. Went with this girl from school to a restaurant, and she showed me that when that was the first time I ate actual Japanese ramen, not the top ramen stuff like I had in a restaurant. So that's pretty good. But then I had the ones in San Francisco. Those are really good. Now I did research. There she is. I did research, and this place is originated in San Francisco area. This Marufuku Ramen. So they originated in San Francisco Bay Area. So that's good to know. And they have different franchise buildings like across the country now. Yeah, she's gonna have that. Dude, I found a parking space. Like, I pulled in the parking lot and there was a Tesla backing out, so I'm gonna take it. There are no spaces. She has to go way over there. But I'll get back to the video and show you the food and the menu, show you the inside. All right. Here it is. No, he's not coming. Yeah, it's nice in here. It's like wood.
The cake and stuff, the toothpaste. Oh, the cake. Oh, okay. Toothpaste and something else. And he said let him know if it's not enough. I'm gonna go to cinema and
Looking for the show you ramen. Alright, let me look. Alright, so I'm getting this. I've never seen this, what?
Yeah, I've seen it in vlogs, like in travel vlogs.
Yep, this is that chicken. Yeah. I'm not gonna eat all of it. I'll take some back. I just want to get a taste of it. Not because I got the ramen.
I'm not gonna get your face.
It's a shashi.
Alright, here's the ramen. I'm not good with chopsticks at all. Taste the chicken.
Oh, it looks tender.
It's good.
Yeah. Before you cut me
Water took it all out. Yeah, no, like just that. Maybe 5 minutes before I walked in.
Put some of this in my ramen. What?
No, I said it's a lot of food.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's still hot. I haven't used chopsticks since 2019. So. Oh yeah. I'm terrible at it.
How do you think Logan is doing?
Yeah, chicken is good. The ramen is good, yeah.
I think your camera went off.
Raise your exotic,
Yeah.
A lot of us are going to do it yours. You can't eat it.
I thought Mama might like it. Mommy likes it.
Yeah, just take it out. That's it. Just take it out. Usually no people here. Park for the therapy. Alright, here at the movie theater. So this is where I usually park at when she has her hand therapy. So I usually go here. But there's a cinema. Yeah, going to see Superman. I may do a short little review. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full video review or anything, but see what it's like. I tell you if it's good, if it's not, for someone who's not a hardcore Superman fan. But yeah, so yeah, the food was really good. I don't know, it wasn't as good as San Francisco ramen that I had in San Francisco in 2019. But I haven't eaten ramen since 2019, so it's difficult to compare it. However,
I'll give the Marufuku ramen 7.5 or 8 out of 10. Yeah, 7.5, 8 out of 10 in terms of Texas, Dallas food. So because overall San Francisco, you know, places like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York, they all have better food than Dallas overall. So you want to move to Dallas, think about that. Food is not as good, but that's what I give it in terms of Dallas standards, Dallas food standards, like 7.5 or 8 out of 10. It was good, you know. Hadn't eaten ramen since 2019. They said they didn't have a low sodium option for me. I have to eat low sodium, but I didn't drink any other broth, but I ate the noodles. I dipped my chicken in the noodles. The other chicken was good. The sizzle, I missed it when it first came in. It was sizzling, like you probably seen in other videos, but I tried to take my camera as fast as I could. Yeah, chicken was sizzling. It was good though. Going to see Superman though, and so these are my final videos I upload, and then I'll upload Demon Slayer episode reactions, and then the new Demon Slayer game comes out, and then I'll see where life goes after that, and maybe start a new job career soon. Probably won't be in animation. Again, I don't recommend anyone going to animation. It's terrible. Like, no one can find jobs right now. But anyway, sorry from that. The food review, it was good. Food review, well, yeah, the food was good, not review. But yeah, the food was good. 7.5 or 8 out of 10. So that's Marufuku ramen. That's my thoughts on it. From someone who doesn't really eat ramen, I had to readjust using the chopsticks. I haven't used them since 2019, like I said. That was 2019 was the first and last time I had eaten ramen. Now I take that back. It was 2018-ish. I think that's when me and Anna went to the one in Richardson. Yeah, I went with her. That was when I was still at UT. I think that was 2018, like my last 2 semesters at when I was in college. So that was the first time I had ramen, and I thought it was good. To be honest, that place, from what I remember, was pretty good, even compared to Marufuku ramen. I'd have to look up the name of it. If I remember, I have to remember the name of that place. But I may put the name up if I look it up and remember. But yeah. So, and then the second and third time I had ramen was out in San Francisco Bay Area when I did my internship at Pixar, and that was really good. That was good, man. But San Francisco's a much better vibe than Dallas overall. So anyway, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.